We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can talk into this ieGeek ZS-GQ2 security camera, or to put it in other words, use the camera intercom functionality. So to start, you will need to launch the ieGeek Cam app. Here, find your camera, then open its live stream. Now find the intercom option, make sure that you're in the live section here. So find the intercom icon here, and then press and hold it. Before you actually can use it, make sure that the ieGeek Cam has an access to your microphone, so grant it with this access. And now hold this icon like that. And as you can clearly hear, the camera intercom works. I mean, the sound gets overlapped, obviously, since... Anyway, that's how you use the intercom. That's how you speak and talk into your camera if you would like to scare somebody, perhaps, or just make an unexpected appearance in someone's day. You can do that through this intercom. So, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.